welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make tilapia grilled fish, and for the ingredients I'm going to use salt, 1 lemon, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized onion, fresh turmeric. It looks like this. If you don't know how it looks like, I'm going to use fresh coriander leaves, black pepper, ginger. I'm using ground ginger because I don't have the fresh ginger. I'm going to use oregano, chili powder. I'm going to use fish curry, vegetable cooking oil, and of course our fish. So for the vegetables, you cut any sizes because we are going to blend them together, and then we are going to use the blend to marinate our fish for about 10 to 20 minutes. We are not going to marinate the fish for a very long time, because when you marinate fish for a long time, it becomes very soft, and soft fish sticks on the pan, and you wouldn't want that. I would also advise that you use a mature fish because it has harder meat. Fish that hasn't matured has very soft meat, and it won't give you the best results of the grilled fish that you would want. Be generous with your salt because it gives the fish some bit of taste. Fish really has no salt at all, so you need the salt to give it a little bit of taste. I cut off the fish head because I'm not going to be using it in this recipe. It takes a longer time to cook, more than the rest of the fish, so you can just remove it and keep it for another meal or another recipe. Fish cooks for a very short time. It cooks for about 10 minutes. So I'm including other fish recipes down below in the description box in case you want to try it out, and it can also do as a quick dinner recipe because it takes a very short time to cook. In case you're tired and you're from somewhere, you can just cook it. It takes a very, very short time to cook, and it is very, very healthy for you. I'm going to marinate the fish for about 20 minutes, but you can do 25 minutes maximum, and then it will be ready for grilling. For the ingredients that I've used, I'm going to write everything for you in the description box. Please check it out. And I'm also going to put links of different fish recipes. And also, if you have any comments about this video, please leave it down below in the comments section. Also, subscribe to My Kitchen by Nana, and also hit the notification bell for more videos. Heat the pan on medium heat, and then you add your cooking oil. I'm using vegetable oil in this specific recipe, but you can use olive oil or you can use coconut oil to have more flavor. And for the heat, I'm just going to use medium heat throughout because I don't want my fish to burn. If you use too much heat, it is going to burn and the flesh inside won't be cooked. So use medium heat throughout to get the best results. Flip the fish over every after 5 to 8 minutes. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to My Kitchen by Nana. Have a nice day.